Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Danvers. My name is Dan Thompson, and today we're going to be taking a look at a recent new boat that just came in, which is the 270 Sun Deck by Sea Ray. This is the inboard model. This boat has a lot of extra features from the manual swim step that flips into the water, makes it really easy to kind of just throw your knee up and get on. Because it's a stern drive version, you get a nice big wakeboard, in ski area to throw all your water toys. This boat has two accesses to the engine. One is through the back. You can get to the back side of the engine, your pumps and everything else you need. And there is also another one if you flip up the front seat to be able to get to the front of the engine. As we come aboard, this boat has the transom washdown and your radio remote control. This boat also comes equipped with the wakeboard tower, which also has a really easy quick release to be able to lower it if you're going to be going under any on any bridges. Nice wraparound seating, has room for everyone. We got adjustable seats, so whether you're entertaining or if you're underway, you want to be facing aft or facing forward. There's a lot of flexibility to the layout. This boat also has the updated 12-inch digital dash, which has all your engine controls, fuel tanks, and everything else you would normally have with your typical round gauges. The 380 horsepower big block that this boat is powered with also has the fly-by-wire and digital throttle shift. Nice thing about all Sun Decks, spacious head with wet bar and lights. As we move forward, one of the best features of the Sun Deck is they run the beam further forward, which allows you to maximize your bow area. So this boat has plenty of room for two to lounge, if not more. Nice little armrests, in-floor storage, and this boat actually has the windlass as well. So if you have questions about this boat or any boat in MarineMax inventory, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Dan Thompson. My cell number is 978-375-1584. Thank you again. I look forward to seeing you in the water.